Welcome, guys. Welcome everyone, welcome everyone. Like up the stream, guys, as you enter. Wow, welcome everyone, guys. I'm here bored as hell. Is it boredom? Boredom killing the high. Welcome everyone. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna mute back the mic, guys. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome everyone, welcome. Welcome my beautiful peeps. Thumbs up the stream guys as you come on in. I hope nobody about to call up. Like up the stream guys as you enter. Guys, I'm say I am totally bored. Da, 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 da. Welcome everyone, welcome. We have 22% here in the building. Like up the stream guys. Happy Sabbath to each and everyone. Let me know where you're watching from, guys. Everyone is so close. Well, thank you so much for that. Thumbs up. Welcome. Welcome everyone. So guys, go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Guys, I'm just there. I try to work on the iWatch hour. I'm not 100% because girl have flu, you know. Girl have flu, but it's a wicked ass flu. But this side say it like lick down people. I'm not even get to do no video for my main channel today, so hopefully by Monday we're able to do a video. But guys, I'm gonna update on the pepper tree because I picked some big one today. That's just how next big one have more big ones on it, you know. See, I got one them. These are some a bottleneck pepper. This is bottleneck. So, but what I say, there's a lot of pepper on it because I pick some today, but I'm not gonna pick off everything because I know I'm not gonna use it. You understand? So, what I want to do, blend the pepper with some seasoning. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay. So there's a lot of pepper on the tree. What I'm saying? It's when your hands are blessed, your hands are really blessed. Girl, and blessed because of myself. Look at this. Girl, and blessed. And me alone can eat half them pepper here. Me alone can eat them off them. Pepper, like shaggy. Hmm? See, pepper drop off of the tree there. But me know me don't want them there, guys. So guys, if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Alright, so we have some more here. See, there's a lot. Let me say there's a lot of pepper. Alright, the breadfruit leaf drop off. So, I try through over so, but hold on. Alright, look on this, guys. On this, see? These are peppers as well. This is some peppers. I'm gonna say, look at this pepper. Look at these. See? Pepper like sugar. I know right now, if me say me go pick pepper from off of the tree, I know me go get more than 2 dozen pepper. Alright, I saw one big one over here, so let's see if me can reach it. But I'm going nothing on the tree for bite me like ants or something. See here, so me not really want to step here, so, because I have some things planted here, so we just hope and pray, guys. Let me catch that phone here somewhere, about, because me not want drop. Let me turn this around. Okay. This is a different size pepper, different type of pepper, guys. But me see one big one, but when you go over there, you can't find it. Look at this, guys. See? And then hot. You know what I mean with that nice now? Some curry. When I normally pick the pepper them from over that tree there. Normally just leave them and so forth, but it's made too big one here from off of the back tree. Let me switch it around. See so? I'm gonna say there's a lot of pepper on the tree. One thing in my hands are blessed. My hands are blessed. Without a shadow of a doubt. Now I'm gonna put them down for people catch me. As guys, let me tell you something, One time I did something there. One time, may I look for some season up some meat, and something. So girl decides say, here what? Girl wash her hand good, and everything. The whole 9 yard, man. And girl decides a girl want pee. So girl got pee, So guys, these are some of the peppers. When I get off a tree this morning, I'm gonna flip the camera off. It kinda let you guys see it better. So girl decides to she go pee, You know what catch me? Pepper catch me and me chocho. Pepper bun up me kuya. I say, what I say? I had was to and take up my other phone. Girl have to sit down in a soapy water and wash out the good, man. I'm saying when pepper hold me, there's nothing I could have done. The only thing left for me to do was to cry. That was the only thing what they left for me to do. But girl just hold it like a G. But I like use pepper in my pot and stuff like that. So. But I'm afraid to hang the pepper. I am so afraid of hanging. So guys, we need like 4 more subscribers to make the 3K. 4, yeah. But I just 5 more subscribers to make the 3K. Sometimes when they get the 4 where you actually want, sometimes YouTube will go ahead and remove one. I can't wait. well when the channel reach the 3K subscriber. Which is difficult, you know. Let me tell you, it's so freaking difficult. Um, Getting the subscriber is difficult. Getting the watch hour is one of the hardest thing. Because the watch hour, one of the thing where we say it takes a lot of time because I accidentally delete some of my video them and so 2000 watch hour daily, so I have to start all over back to see if we can do something then. To get back watch hour. I go show now. Make sure that if we never delete watch hour, hold on. Let me see if I find. I'm gonna show you watch hour for lifetime. See, 9,094 watch hour would have. Because remember now, my channel was monetized before and it ended up, my channel got demonetized. That's why I'm not gonna react to anything because it's when you react to certain music videos and stuff like that, that is the channel demonetized. Worse if you put on monetization on it and the video. But I learned the hard way. So let me show you for the 365 days would have been 1,732. 1,732. And because girls are end up and delete out some of the videos and some of my live stream and stuff like that. But most of the videos that I do get watched for from was from the videos I'm like when I don't know. Right? So I'm gonna get deleted. So for the 90 days, see, that's a 440 watch hour. So no, guys, may struggle for reach the watch hour. So if there's anyone out there, guys, sorry about me nice in the background. Yeah, I live in a ghetto. So for there's anyone out there who can help me forget the watch hour them by watching the videos to the end, run the live stream them to the end and so forth, I would really appreciate it. The overall views on my channel drop and so forth because really and truly I wouldn't say that I'm not posting, but you see, because me did take a break from posting on that channel here and something, it end up the views drop, the subscribers are sleeping, so I'm basically it's like starting all over from scratch. Like I'm starting, guys. I'm gonna go inside and turn on the ring lights. So it's like I'm starting all over from scratch. Guys, my God. I tell you say I hate angling this ring light too. But I tell you say for some reason I am angling the ring lights, right? And when me angle the ring lights, I feel like something shocking. So you know what I do? I make sure I plug in, put on the phone on it first before Me, so me can turn it on. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see me clearly, but I hope so. Let me draw the curtain right now. Oh gosh. What a curtain left. I have to get a different curtain rod. Alright, so what's that? Somebody put something in there. I don't know what they put in there. Let me see if we can see it. Let's see. Huh. I see why YouTube well then let me use something for a ring light here if it kinda carry it down. Cause can't take no shock in the evening. Yeah. Cause when I say it's a shocking it may God have mercy. Anyway, guys, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Go ahead, like up the stream, guys, and may I beg you know, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, girl, if I'm begging spree right about now, but for subscribers, I don't. That's the only thing that I'm gonna ask for. Kind of have a slight headache. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Hey. Hold on, guys. Give me a minute. Oh, welcome everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Go ahead, like up the stream, guys. Also, go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so as yet. I think this one come down a little bit further. I don't know, make it shot me. See, same thing. Hello. It's shocking. Okay, a little bit closer. Yeah. Let me turn the lighting on my phone. Um, welcome, my beautiful peeps. Guys, might tell something. I wanted I started yesterday, but I couldn't finish it. I couldn't finish it honestly. To feel to feel so I just know that it's coming down to evening. It's 5:43 now. Now is the time when we start getting more stuffy. But guess what? I'll make sure I have a Panadol or my take. But somebody told me about the guava leaf. So I'm gonna get the guava leaf. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like in the night there's some if you drink it. When I go my bed, I use it and boil it tea and drink. But it gonna make me sweat. So here what? Me have to make bed on the floor. Which the floor not tough or not like that, because me have carpet on the floor. So what me gonna do? Me go sleep on the floor tonight. If me can manage it on the floor. Me go sleep on the floor or something. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Series screenshot. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome. Girl, they are listening to music, from people's status. People's status, they are listening music. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome. Guys, want me about that mic, yeah? Too much of going in my background. I'm gonna want the people business over on the media, Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Go ahead, like up the stream, guys, as you enter. Also, go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet, guys. Let me turn on there. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Happy Sabbath, everyone. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. Guys, we soon start going to some good quality video here. Soon. I'm gonna do something to me here where nobody not gonna expect, but me think about doing something crazy to it. I'm not telling no one to my ear yet, but girl, I gotta do something to it soon too. Me? It's a natural hair. Natural hair is not for me. Natural hair is not for me. So one of them day I can come on the screen and see me with no locks or anything like that. You're not gonna really see me with perm or anything like that. But I think so not for now. But I'm gonna do something different to my hair. Welcome, my beautiful peeps. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, my mute back the mic. Why when people have flu, them always look like them lose a lot of weight those time. Because trust me, you see, since me have a flu here, I don't eat as much as how mother normally eat now. Man, I consume a lot of food like how mother normally. Cause normally, girl, that gone all for meal for the day. And you know that I just barely snack, me just snack. I don't have no solid food for a body. It's like me not have the appetite. Me not have the appetite for the food. And I know that's what the flu the want and something, you know, but welcome everyone, welcome. Like our stream guys as you enter, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for that like. Guys, my tell us say that flow here is a wicked something. I'm good throughout the day, partially throughout the day. And then you see when it touch night, come like say the whole part of my body wash up down. All the stuffiness and all of these things. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna black out back there and mute it.